Naturally unclogging arteries, lifestyle changes for a healthy heart. Maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system is crucial for overall well-being. Clogged arteries can significantly impede blood flow and lead to serious health issues like heart attacks and strokes. While medical interventions are available, adopting a proactive approach to naturally unclog arteries through lifestyle changes can have a profound impact on heart health. Heart-healthy meal plan. Balanced, heart-healthy diets are the foundation of preventing and reversing artery blockages. Plant-based foods incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. These foods are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats that help reduce inflammation. Healthy fats. Opt for sources of unsaturated fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds. These fats can help raise good HDL cholesterol levels while lowering bad LDL cholesterol. Limit processed foods. Reduce your intake of processed foods high in trans fats, saturated fats, and added sugars. These can contribute to artery plaque buildup. Regular exercise. Physical activity plays a crucial role in keeping your arteries clear and maintaining optimal blood flow. Engage in at least 3 hours of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with strength training exercises. Regular exercise helps manage weight, control blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Stress management. Chronic stress can contribute to inflammation and heart health issues. Incorporate stress relief techniques into your routine, such as meditation, deep breathing, and spending time in nature. Finding healthy ways to manage stress can positively impact your heart health. Quit smoking. Smoking is a major risk factor for artery blockages. If you smoke, quitting is one of the most effective ways to improve your cardiovascular health. Within just a few weeks of quitting, your blood circulation improves, reducing the strain on your heart. Adequate sleep. Prioritize getting 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is essential for your body's healing processes, hormone regulation, and overall cardiovascular health. Alcohol consumption. If you consume alcohol, do so in moderation. Excessive alcohol intake can contribute to high blood pressure and other heart-related issues. Ideally, no alcohol is best. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is crucial for maintaining blood viscosity and preventing plaque buildup. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Conclusion. Naturally unclogging arteries involves making positive lifestyle changes that support heart health. By focusing on heart-healthy food, regular exercise, stress management, avoiding smoking, getting adequate sleep, moderating alcohol consumption, and staying hydrated, you can significantly reduce the risk of artery blockages and promote a healthier cardiovascular system. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your lifestyle, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. In my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, I teach how our bodies will reward us with good health for doing the right things. Visit my website to pick up your book today. Please like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching LHLclub.com.